Hello, and welcome to Hello Word, the podcast where we explore the fascinating world of the English language, one word at a time. I'm Alex, your host, and today we're diving into a simple but versatile word, back. This word is an A1 level adverb, and it means to the rear or to a previous place. It's a small word, but it packs a punch in everyday conversations. Let's break it down. The word back is commonly used to describe movement to a previous position or location. For example, if someone says, "I'm going back to the park," it means they are returning to the park they were at earlier. It's also used when referring to reversing direction, like in "step back from the edge, it's not safe." There are several synonyms for back that can add variety to your sentences. Words like return, reverse, or rearward can often work in similar ways. For instance, instead of saying, "she walked back to her house," you could say, "she walked returning to her house." Another example, "the car moved rearward out of the driveway." These alternatives can help enrich your vocabulary, though they are not always perfect substitutes. On the other hand, antonyms for back include words like forward or ahead, which carry the opposite meaning. Instead of moving to a previous position, these suggest going toward a new place or direction. For example, "he walked forward to the front of the stage" is the opposite of "he walked back to his seat." In everyday life, back is a word you'll hear often. It can describe physical movement, like turn back if you forgot something, or even time-related situations, as in let's go back to the beginning of the story. It's also part of many common expressions such as, "I'll be back soon," or "she gave me my book back." Here are a few more examples of back in sentences to help you see how flexible it is. Can you bring the chair back to the living room? After a long day, it felt good to go back home. He looked back and waved goodbye. That's all for today's episode. We've explored the meaning of back, looked at its synonyms and antonyms, and shared examples of how it's used in everyday conversations. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope you found this episode helpful. Don't forget to subscribe to Hello Word and leave a review. Your support helps others discover the show. I'd love to hear from you. Try making your own sentence using back and share it with us in the comments. Until next time, keep exploring and enjoying the beauty of language.